Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew an expiring drone registration using the FAA's drone zone. So this is helpful because drones that weigh more than 0.55 pounds and less than 55 pounds must be registered, and flying with an expired registration can get you in trouble. So first go to FAA drone zone and log in. On the home page, click the dashboard button next to I Fly under part 107 or public aircraft. On the Part 107 dashboard, look for the blue inventory box. If you have drones eligible for renewal, you'll see a renewable SUAS with a number in the top right of that box. Click Renewable SUAS, find the drone that's eligible, click the three dots on far right, then click Renew. So this adds the drone to your cart. So click Checkout. Confirm that you understand the FAA requirements and click Next. Enter your payment info, click Next, review everything, then click Pay. You will get a confirmation page once payment goes through. So to verify, go back and click Manage SUAS Inventory. You should see your drone is active for another 3 years from the original registration date. You can renew early and it still extends from the original date. Last reminder, your drone must be marked with the FAA registration number before you fly. If it's missing, use a label maker or write it clearly and secure it with heavy duty tape. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next one.